Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute paper box. We will use the origami technique and it's quite easy to make. So let's get started to create this super cute paper box. We will need an A4 piece of paper. I have this white paper, and then we will start to fold our paper in this way. Fold enough, and then again fold enough. Okay, now we will need to fold this part here in this way, and this part here in this way. Voila. The same here. Voila. And here. Voila. Now we will need to fold this part in this way. Open and fold this part in this way and open. Now we will need to fold this again, and then we will need to do in this way, because we need to create this crisp folding. Voila. And the same here, only this part, and our box is quite ready. Now we will need to do in this way, and then we will need to do in this way. We will need to put this part inside. Voila. And the same here. Sorry, but this is a photocopying piece of paper and it's not so good. Okay, fold here, and then we will need to put this part inside, and our little box is ready. Now we will need to do in this way. Voila. And we will have this result, and then you can close this box like I did with some washi tape, like this one, or like I did in this way with a mini peg, and you can put your mini peg here. They are so nice and so easy to make for your gift and as a storage. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.